All right, what is up, you guys? It is the hottest day of the year so far in 2024, and we are out in Wendell Falls to check out some new construction homes. I've been paying attention to what you guys said over on my surveys on Instagram, and that you guys were interested in seeing more and more houses that were in the price point between about 280 to like 450, 500,000. So today we have a bunch of them out here behind me. Wendell Falls is a neighborhood that in total is going to have around 4,000 different homes. As you can see behind me, this is just a small section of it. But we're going to check out some of these homes, and I'm just going to do a whole series so that you can see everything that's out here. So there's lots of different price points. We're going to cover all of those. We're going to go over different inventory. I'll show you the map to show you so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. And of course, we're going to do some home tours as well as behind the scenes so that you can see how I put these videos together for you guys. All right, so like I mentioned, out here in Wendell Falls, they're building this up. There's going to be over 4,000 houses. There's 2 models over there from one builder, 2 more models over there from a different builder, and then we're going to go in that one and start the day off. So first, we got to grab my bag out of my car, so we're going to grab that, and then we're going to get the day started. Go in there, check out that house, show you all the details about it, and go from there. Alright, you guys, just got done shooting those two model houses. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the drone out. We're gonna put that up in the air, try and get some drone footage, like some B-roll, just to give that aerial look. And then we're gonna get out of here because it's, as I said, it's already the hottest day of the year so far. I'm sweating, still gotta get acclimated to the heat that's coming, but I am excited because it's not cold anymore. We're not freezing like we were before. And really, I mean, the market's heating up just like the temperature is outside. So I'm excited for everything that's about to happen. So let's get the drone up. We're gonna get some footage from up above, give you guys a different look at everything. And then we're gonna get out of here and get back home, put all this stuff on the computer, start editing and see what happens from there, so. Right, it is hot, but hey, that was another successful day of shooting some content for you guys and for making some YouTube videos. So I am going to, now that I'm back in my car in some AC where it's a little bit cooler, I'm gonna cool off. I'm hitting that 5 o'clock traffic, so you know how North Carolina and the Triangle is right now. Everybody's gonna be out trying to get home at this hour, but I'm okay with that because I didn't have to work, 9 to 5 kind of hours. I just work 24/7 instead. But that's the life of a real estate agent. Always, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the little notification bell, and share this with some of your friends, family, loved ones that should be seeing this, that need to learn something about real estate and be checking out my channel. As always, guys, I cannot wait to see you again, to show you more content. Hey guys, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.